Toyota Crown, is it an SUV or a sedan? Toyota's longest-running model name will make a comeback in the United States this fall on a vehicle for 2023. This car is the de facto replacement for the Florida-friendly Avalon, and it has a number of characteristics that make it feel right at home in Toyota's current lineup. But there's a lot of confusion going on among the people. Is it an SUV? Is it a sedan? Are you perplexed as well? Well, don't worry, because today, Electric Exclusive will clear up all of your doubts. Without any further ado, let us begin. When it comes to the 2023 Toyota Crown, we can properly call it a lift-up sedan. Definitely not an SUV. Don't tell Toyota, but the 2023 Crown could be a huge hit as a new entry in the compact SUV segment. After discontinuing its long-running Avalon models, the company is not afraid of shaking things up by reintroducing the Crown to the full-size sedan market. Toyota decided to create a new brand for what looks like a sportier sedan with the height and handling of a small SUV, rather than compete with subcompact SUVs or sedans. While these features would be welcome in any vehicle, what lies beneath you distinguishes this so-called compact SUV as the first lift-up sedan available today. It turns out that the problem isn't with the car itself, but rather the wheels and tires. What in the world is a lift-up sedan? In order to reintroduce the Toyota Crown to the North American market, Toyota created a new model that bridges the gap between conventional sedans and off-road utility vehicles. Many people will initially recognize it as a sedan, but Toyota's designers intended to blur that distinction by including more airspace between the driver and the floor. Both the XLE and limited trim levels of the Crown, as stated by Toyota, come standard with imposing 19-inch alloy wheels. Most people wouldn't notice at first that these wheels are a hair more extensive than what comes standard on a family sedan. Once you put on the 21-inch platinum wheels, however, your entertaining sedan takes on a look that defies categorization. Since the tires on both sets are several inches taller than those on a regular sedan, the press release states that the lifted design is essential. While most motorists won't care, those who regularly exceed the weight capacity of their compact vehicle's trunk will eventually come to appreciate the peace of mind that comes with upgrading to larger tires. How successful Toyota is in bringing its iconic nameplate into the modern era remains to be seen. Do you think Toyota's new Crown will shine brightest? According to a press release issued by Toyota, the 2023 Crown has exceptional handling, an elegant appearance, a significant amount of power, and an intuitive driving experience. The new Crown continues to be a sedan, but the design of the vehicle conveys a sense of power and performance. The starting tiers are denoted by the letters XLE, Limited, and Platinum. A hybrid drivetrain with 2.4 liters of displacement comes standard on the XLE and Limited, while the Toyota Hybrid Max with 340 horsepower makes its debut in the Platinum trim. Every model comes equipped with a standard electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system. The Toyota Crown comes standard in the colors black, oxygen white, magnetic gray metallic, heavy metal, and supersonic red with black interiors. The limited model adds the options of macadamia and a mixed black and chestnut color scheme as additional exterior and interior color options. The XLE and limited trims both come standard with heated front seats, a touchscreen display measuring 12.3 inches, and 6 speakers. LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, additional heated seats, an 11-speaker JBL sound system, and extensive safety suite are some of the upgrades that come standard on the limited trim level. These features are not available on lower trim levels. The Platinum package, on the other hand, comes with an adaptive variable suspension along with a transmission that has 6 different gears. Where in Toyota's lineup does the Crown fit? To bridge the gap between Corolla's compact size and the Corolla Cross Hybrid's ruggedness, Toyota offers the Crown. The Crown has endured for so long as a brand for so many years because it truly is one of the best. Although by reintroducing this model to the American market, Toyota's closing the gap in its product offering and giving more people a chance to get behind the wheel. Is this first in a long line of lift-up sedans that extends beyond Toyota, or just a passing fad? Only time will tell if Toyota's rebranding strategy pays off with new customers and if the Crown name sticks around for good this time. Now, it's time for us to end our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos from us. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.